Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all well and doing great. Here in this video I am sharing very stylish, trendy, beautiful heeled sandals for parties and wedding occasions. These all sandals are branded and available online also. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for channel notification. If you like these designs, thumbs up for this video means to say hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members on social media networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. One of the best collection for party wear, wedding wear, formal wear. Pipto style slingback design long pencil heel is best design for parties and functions. Pointed toe kitten heel slingback designs look so stylish and pretty. Double strap wide double strap slingback designs is comfortable designs for parties. Printed heels look so stylish and elegant. Now sandals are designs with different types of accessories like pearls, beads, stones and flowers. These designs are very popular nowadays and girls and ladies love to wear such type of designs with their different types of outfits. Black and white color contrast look so stylish and pretty in parties and function. Pointed toe, pencil heel, round toe, block heel, all different types of best designs are included here in this collection. These styles are very popular and stylish, super comfortable collection you are watching here with eye-catching colors. If you like these designs, please thumbs up for this video. Friends, all of these designs are very popular nowadays, so that's why I am sharing this comfortable collection with you people too. In this collection you will see all different types of those heels designs which are very practical, very comfortable and very stylish, popular all over the world among ladies. So that's why I am sharing this beautiful collection with you people too, so that you also come to know about these all designs which are in fashion and according to your choice. Different types of wedge styles, platform soles, slip resistant soles, slingback sandals, block heel sandals, multi-strap sandals designs you will see here. I am sure that you love to see this collection, and if you are interested to buy any pair out of this collection, then just go to description box where you will find the link of that site through which you easily order and do online shopping. Some flat sandals are also included in this collection. These are also best for parties and functions because fancy sandals and slippers collection you are watching here in this collection. As this is a need of time too that all the people prefer to do shopping online, so all these pairs are available online. See different types of very decent and beautiful designs and colors of all those sandals, best perfect fit for your all outfits. Mid-heeled sandals are very comfortable and stylish, and this is one of the collection which is fit for your party wear, formal wear, especially wedding wear and function wears. Very stylish and comfortable sandals designs you are watching here and enjoying here. Beautiful eye-catching colors and stunning type of designs are available in this collection. Friends, if you want to ask something or suggest something regarding this collection or anything else, then you can use comment section for this purpose. This is the only way which you can use to connect me and show your presence here. Lace-up designs look so stylish and beautiful. Very simple, decent and comfortable but stylish type of footwear designs are included here. Snakeskin printed sandals are best design for this year. Such type of sandals are best for creating unique type of style in your personalities. Low heel designs are best for casual wear as these are very soft and comfortable, so these are perfect for all age group ladies. Slingback with chunky style of heel is one of the popular design. Wedge style, and there are you see different type of chunky styles of heel with different lengths. With the help of these collection, you can get the ideas regarding these footwears, that which type of designs are in fashion and which sorts of designs are very popular, and when you see the styles and comfortability blend, this is one of the best collection for yourself. I am sure you love to see different types of long heel, mid heel, low heels designs, so this is one of the requested video. I am sure that you will find one of the pair out of this collection which will be according to your choice. Dull golden color is very attractive color for parties and weddings occasions. Long heel designs are also very attractive. Different eye-catching colors and very comfortable and stylish types of those sandals which you love to see. Back closed, back open and sling back, all type of different sandals are included here. These are all those designs which you can keep for your parties and functions. Style, comfortability, simplicity and practicality. All these features you will find here in this collection with different sorts of footwears. Two-tone sandals look so stylish and beautiful. One of the best collection for those people who love to wear such types of heeled sandals. I hope you enjoyed this collection. If you love these designs, please thumbs up for this video, means to say hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family on social media networks like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Friends, if you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such kind of beautiful, elegant collections. Please suggest me in comment box what designs you want to see more in my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself till the next collection. Allah Hafiz.